Simple conversation in English between a new student and classmates. Hi. Hello. Are you new to this school? Yes, I'm kinda lost here. Can you help me, please? What is your name? My name is Terry. What's your name? My name is Charlie and she is June. May we know which class you are in? I am in the third grade. Wow, we are in the third grade too. Good. Can you show me the way to our class? Sure, come and join us. We will show you the way. Okay, thank you. Hey, maybe we can be friends. Oh, really? That would be great. Where are you from? I am from Chennai. Welcome to our school. Where are you from? We are from Trichy. Good. Our teacher's name is Miss Pam. She is very kind and sweet. Wow, I feel very calm now. Why? I was very scared how my new teacher would be. All our teachers are kind and calm, so you don't have to worry. I feel good only now. Is there a basketball court in our school? Yes, do you play basketball? We love to play basketball. Super! We three of us can be a trio. We can have lots of fun. I have snacks in my bag. We will eat when we play basketball. Oh, great! Come on now, it is time for class. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Twinkle Stars.